Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list published on September 19, 2025, about 3 days ago. The big idea is a unified multimodal model that resolves the usual trade-off between understanding images and generating them by pairing a hybrid vision tokenizer with a streamlined training recipe. The paper is titled Manzano, a simple and scalable unified multimodal model with a hybrid vision tokenizer, and the implications for model training are quite significant. In short, the model uses one shared encoder with two adapters and a single autoregressive decoder, achieving state-of-the-art among unified systems while scaling cleanly with size. So Figure 2 shows that the unified design delivers strong balance across understanding and generation, which matters because most unified systems slip on text-heavy tasks. The radar chart compares several models across benchmarks like Text VQA, Doc VQA, and Genival. The green and teal traces, representing Manzano 3B and 30B, sit near the outer rim on most axes, signaling top or near top scores. The pattern suggests minimal task conflict, since gains appear consistently rather than trading off between areas. So, Figure 1 illustrates that the unified model generates faithful images for tricky prompts, which matters because counterintuitive instructions often break text-to-image systems. Counterintuitive means the prompt describes events that clash with everyday physics, like a bird flying below an elephant. The panels compare outputs across 5 systems, and the leftmost column maintains both the global layout and the key text content. The final row highlights blueprint-style control that stays consistent with the caption. Alright, Figure 3 shows how the hybrid tokenizer ties understanding and generation together, so the model predicts semantics while a separate decoder paints details. The left panel depicts training, where one adapter's output is randomly sampled and aligned with a small language model, which means both continuous and discrete streams share one semantic space. The center panel routes continuous embeddings into the unified decoder for image to text. The right panel feeds discrete tokens to the diffusion transformer, conditioned on predicted image tokens to render pixels. So Table 1 makes the central point concrete. The hybrid tokenizer delivers the best balance across understanding and generation, which matters because a single model should not trade accuracy for creativity. Hybrid here means the image is encoded into both continuous features and discrete tokens from the same encoder. Scores rise on text-rich understanding and stay strong on general eval and DPG, so task conflict looks minimal. The numbers were computed with a 1 billion parameter unified decoder. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. The hybrid vision tokenizer, with one encoder and 2 adapters, lets a single autoregressive decoder excel at both image understanding and text-to-image generation, and scaling consistently improves both sides with little task conflict. The broader implication is practical unification without sacrificing accuracy or creativity. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.